test thing. I went, oh my goodness.
So I think I can get the new door frame and stuff in here if I take off the exterior trim piece. So here goes. We're gonna rip it out. No turning back. Hope I make the right decision.
Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, no. Welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, yeah.
Well, this is it, the last day on the farm before we head back to Florida in the morning. So that was a late night last night. At 3 a.m. I finally went to bed. I got up this morning. I wasn't 100% pleased with the door. There was a little bit of drop. I don't know how it happened, but there was about a ½ inch drop going towards the back. So I fixed that this morning. And now the door looks so much better. It's nice and level. And I'm really pleased with it. I'm really thankful that it is so flush. Honestly, at some point, it's kind of minor. I may sand this down just a smidgen. There's just a slight rub at one point. You can kind of feel it. It's really minimal. Man, I'm happy with it. I think it looks awesome. Get a little pan view. Yeah. So pumped about that. Okay, so I have a list of to-do items today. Some that I really need to get done. Some are not necessarily have to get done. They're just I want to get them done. I feel a lot better. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, actually, I already got started, but I need to go over the house. I need to do some sanding on some of that mud sheetrock that I was kind of patching the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then wherever the sink disappeared to from the last tenants, I do have another sink. I'm gonna try to get that installed in the kitchen. That's my first two items. Let's go. Let's check out some of the sheetrock patchwork. That was Gavin. He did pretty good. Another one of Gavin's. I definitely gotta go back over that, but that may have just been because it was a bigger crack. Micah did that one. Let's see how long the big patches did. Looks pretty good. I gotta sand it and put another coat. Same with that. See how the other big patches. Yeah, a little bit more work. A little bit more work on that. Well, no idea why they stole my kitchen sink faucet, but they did. They were actually generous enough to leave another one. I guess they liked the other one better. Or maybe this was for their new place and they accidentally left it. That's probably more likely. But regardless, it will do. It's not super nice or anything, but hopefully it works. Lovely little mess they left under here. And they even took my water lines. So I've got to go buy new water connector hoses. I ran out of chain oil the other day using the chainsaw. I went up finding a little bit more chainsaw gas. So I'm going to add a little chain oil, clean up the place a little bit more. You can tell the chain wasn't running smooth. Turned out I'd ran out of oil. Got to keep that chain lubricated. All right, let's cut.
test thing that went, oh my goodness. Like, how cool is that? You worked all night, didn't you?
3 a.m.
Like,
Check it out, baby.
That's fabulous, dude. Dude, I love it if it's so snug, too. Scoring it.
Well, another top priority is trying to get this door secured. It's just been beat up and bad. It won't even really latch. Windows busted out of it. Doesn't even need windows, honestly. Just needs something more secure. But this frame is pretty bad, so I don't know. I bought a door with a frame, but I don't think it's going to fit, so I may have to just try to modify that door to fit in here. Try to pull off some of this. All right, so removed this piece of trim up here, and there is a board, and so I think I can get the new frame, door frame and stuff in here if I take off the exterior trim piece. So here goes. We're gonna rip it out. No turning back. Hope I make the right decision. Crackety crumble. Yes, Lonnie. My word, this thing was in there. Oh, gosh. All right, that's the frame. Shall hope we can get the new one in. Oh, we in trouble. Got the trim off the new one. Let's see if it fits. Pretty close. How close are you now? We're so close. Alright, we're a little off. We're going to see if we can squeeze it in there. I had to chisel away a little bit down at the door frame at the bottom. But I think we got it wedged in there pretty good now. Got to straighten it up a little bit. Put a few more little finishing touches on it. I got the door frame in and leveled. It bows a little bit, so we're having to wedge it a little bit back behind here. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Let's put some screws in. Well, that's it, guys. That's a wrap at the farm over the Christmas break. Never get as much done as I'd like, but still got some stuff done, so I'm thankful for that. It's getting late. Doty's got to take me back to Tuscaloosa tonight. Appreciate his friendship. Boom, Doty the hero. Guys, thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate your love and your support. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life.